Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel My Target 100%. I think all of you must have seen my last videos. Those who have not seen, please try to watch for your better understanding. Okay, anyway, today's topic is electric potential due to point charge. Before going to start electric potential due to a point charge, it is the derivation or long answer type questions. Basically this question is coming 3 marks questions. Okay, so question will come, define electric potential, derive an expression of electric potential due to point charge and draw a graph between potential difference versus distance. If charge is positive, if charge is negative. This is the question. Okay, first we should know about what do you mean by electric potential. In the previous classes that I have already told, okay, the degree of electrification is known as electric potential, or you can say work done per unit charge, or you can say it determines the flow of charge from one body to another body. But most important definition of electric potential is electric potential at a point in an electric field is defined as the amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinite to that point against the electrostatic forces of the electric field of the source charge irrespective of the path followed. Okay, this is the definition. At least you have to remember to bring a unit positive charge from infinite to that point. This sentence will help you while you are going to derive this derivation. Okay, so come to points. So everybody collect your pen and copy and write what I am writing. Start. Electric potential due to a point charge. Okay, what I told just you have to apply. Come to points. Point is, consider a point charge which is placed at the origin. Suppose this is the point charge, this is Q and place is O, it is placed at the origin. Suppose this is the point P, you have to calculate electric potential at a distance R up to this one to this one, it is OP is equal to R. I am not going to repeat this one. Okay, what you will do, you want to bring the charge from infinite to, suppose this is the point infinite, you will bring the unit positive charge from infinite to this point. Then you have to calculate the electric potential. Electric potential at point P means you have to calculate amount of work done. Okay, so while you are going to this charge, unit positive charge, there are number of points. So any 2 points you take. Suppose there is 2 points, it is A, it is B, distance is suppose dx. Okay, this is the distance dx in between A and B, and from O to A, suppose distance is how much? It is x. Any problem? And to calculate the work done, you will keep unit positive charge plus 1, or you can write it is Q naught is equal to plus 1. Okay, there are 2 methods how you will take this value, I will tell. Okay, any problem? I am repeating now, this is most important. Okay, come to point. This charge is coming from infinite to P, and the force of direction of electric field, what I told, against the electrostatic force. So this is the, so they are anti-parallel, so work done is negative. So try to understand, I am keeping positive point charge, suppose it is point charge at point O. P is the point where you have to calculate electric potential, and you are bringing the charge, unit positive charge from infinite to this point. In between there are number of points, we are considering only 2 points. In between 2 points A and B, displacement is, charge is moving from A to B, there is small displacement. Okay, so try to understand only silly small point. W is equal to how much you know? Fx. Okay, if you know this one, so it is how much? Fx cos theta in class 11. So if you calculate the total small displacement, So W is equal to integration of dW, that is f dx cos theta. Can you write or not? That you have read in class 11 work energy and power chapter. Okay, same method you have to apply here. Another one is E is equal to F by Q naught. Okay, so F is equal to how much? E Q naught. If you take Q naught is only 1 unit positive charge, so you will keep 1. Otherwise, if you apply Coulomb's law, F is equal to K Q naught by, what is the value from distance, this one, x square. Either you will use this value or this one. Okay, start. So again I am telling mathematical expression definition already I have told you. For the examination point of view, at least you will write this one. Okay, what I have already told, but those are very poor students and you have no interest to write anything. Try to write minimum things from figure. What you are observing? OP is equal to R. Okay, AB is equal to dx, or this one OA is equal to x, W is equal to minus fx cos theta. Okay, so you will write this one. As charge is moving from A to B, there is small displacement. So what is small? So W is equal to this one. You can write this one integration of, suppose this one is only between 2 points. So total work done, how can you calculate at point P? So integration of this one. So W is equal to minus f dx cos theta. Sorry, you have already written. Why I am giving? Okay, suppose you are not giving this one, I am writing this one. Fx means here this one. Okay, there is no need to write this one. Give first initially minus. Here theta is how much? For antiparallel vector theta is 180 degree. So it is. So you can write this one is f dx cos 180 degree. Before going to this one, try to understand. You will calculate work done from infinite to this point. So you give this one, infinite to this one. So how can you calculate? You will calculate work done up to this one, dw, from 0 to w. So you can write, it is the total work done. You have to calculate electric potential at point P while you are bringing the charge from infinite to given points. So it is the lower limit, it is the higher limit, upper limit. So lower limit, upper limit, lower, this is infinite to r. Now theta is how much? Theta is 180 degree. Okay, because of antiparallel vector, or you can say the displacement is opposite to the direction of a electrostatic force. So now you can write how much it is. So it is how much? It is f dx minus, as cos 180 degree is equal to minus 1. Okay, understand? So from infinite to, you can give this one infinite to r. This value is x is equal to infinite, x is equal to r. It is minus. Okay, so you give this equation is, suppose it is 1. Then important role is coming now. Okay, you can take, either you will take the positive charge for this one, or this value from the beginning what I have told, you can take this value or this one. Okay, then come to points. I am erasing. Everybody has written or not? Okay, thank you. So this value, if you use, you can better understand. Now follow the figure. Follow the figure. Equation is W is equal to integration of minus f dx. Suppose this is the equation 1. So due to this charge, okay, how much electrostatic force of repulsion? Coulomb's law. So Coulomb's law is how much? F is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. Q1 is equal to Q, Q2 is equal to Q naught, and distance r is equal to x that I applied. Okay, you apply this one. So be careful. So you use this one. So now W is equal to minus k q naught, okay, by x square into dx. Clear? So this is from infinite to that point. Any problem? Okay. This one, for a given point charge, this one is fixed and it is Coulomb's constant or electric force constant. You keep in outside minus k q naught by only this one. Okay. So come to points. So variable things is this one, infinite to, always you write till get the result. Okay, this one. So this one is dx by x square. Okay, can you write k q naught by, sorry, again. So come to point. Can you write x to the minus 2 into dx? This is infinite to r. This is x is equal to infinite, x is equal to r. You can write directly. Okay. So come to point. Now this is minus k q naught. Here try to understand. Derivative, suppose y is the function, this is x to the n, dy by dx is equal to how much? You know, y n x n minus 1 for derivation. But if this one is given x to the power n dx integration, so x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that you know, this is the most important formula in calculus or integration, for integration. So you have to apply this one. Then come to points. X to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is the value from infinite to r. Clear? Then it is minus. Can you write w is equal to minus plus k q naught, this one. So can you write this one 1 by x, because it is x to the minus 1. I am not writing this one. So this one is from x is equal to infinite to x is equal to r. Now put the value k q naught 1 by upper limit 1 by r minus 1 by infinite. So that means 1 by infinite is 0. 1 by infinite is 0. That means electric potential is 0 when x is equal to distance is at infinite. So what you got? So W is equal to k q this one by r. You got this one. Okay. Now V is equal to, this is the W. Suppose it is equation 2. Okay. Can I erase? Now you have to calculate what? V. So V is equal to W by Q naught. So W is equal to how much? K Q naught by x square. Sorry. This is R. It is Q naught. So Q naught cancel. K Q by R. So you can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. In place of K value, I am writing this one. Suppose this equation 3. So this equation 3 represents the electric potential due to point charge. So can you understand now? So how they are related? V proportional 1 by R. More distance, okay, less potential and vice versa. But electric potential due to a single charge or point charge is always spherical symmetric. Then come to point. If Q is positive, potential is positive. This is the special significance. If Q is positive, V is positive. If Q is negative, V is negative. So for positive charge, potential is maximum. For negative charge, potential is minimum. But if you plot the graph between, suppose it is the graph, most important question, graph. Suppose this is the axis X, this is the Y, okay. So this is V, this is 1 by R. So you will get straight line when Q greater than 0. But in the case 1, if it is the V, it is 1 by R. So you will get this one. It is while Q less than 0. But mind it, you know E is equal to due to point charge. Electric field due to point charge is KQ by R square. But electric potential due to point charge is KQ by R. So if you plot the graph between E or V versus distance, what will you get? You just I am writing. Suppose this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Okay, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, so what will you get? ये more steeper कौन हो जाएगा? Because R square. तो ये जो आप लेंगे, देखो, तो ये क्या हो गया? ये हो गया E. ये हो गया E proportional 1 by R square. ये जो हो गया V proportional 1 by R. E or V, this side. Here, what you are getting? R distance. So this is the point where electric potential, electric field both are equal. How? While you are taking, suppose it is 0.5. Here it is suppose 0.5. It is 1. It is suppose I am taking just, it is 2. It is 3. That means it is 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. This one. So similarly it is 2 up to this one is 3. If you take the distance is only 1 unit, what you are getting? Q. You are getting Q. But in other point is, if you take 0.5, this value, because it is square, it is R. So this is the point where electric potential and electric field both are equal. Okay. In this case, this is the electric field, this is electric potential. Okay, then come to points. It is the case happening when Q greater than 0. If you opposite you will take, what you will get? In this manner. Okay, so Q less than 0. Okay, you will draw. थोड़ा सा उल्टा देना इसको, जैसे आप उल्टाए थे. ओके, ये थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो जाएगा, आप इसको बना लेना. ओके, यहाँ से जगह नहीं है, बना लेना. There are how many cases in graph? One is Q greater than 0, Q less than 0 for V proportional 1 by R, and here is E or V versus this one. Okay, and if you want to collect the notes, there is a link in description box. You click the link, you will get the notes. And any doubt, you write the comments in comment box. Thank you. Have a good day.